Hello there, I am Hinda and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to start a new project. So I have these yarns from Ice Yarn. They're very pretty yarn, I love the colors in them, but the colors are not so much for a garment, so I was thinking what I could do with them. And then I remembered that I have this pillow, which is a nice pillow, but why just leave it orange when I can make it a fancy, colorful pillow cover? So that's what I'm going to do. My plan is to make two big granny squares. So starting from the middle of the granny square, making it like that until I get a square big enough for the pillow, and then another one, and then stitch them up together on the pillow, hopefully to secure it well, and we'll see how it comes out. This is the first time I'm doing a pillow cover, so let's get started. I'm going to start the granny square with a magic green, so like that, and then I think I remember how to do it. You just make basically 4 granny squares. It's already looking so cute. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? The colors are just so vibrant and gorgeous. So I'm just going to continue now round and around until I get a big enough granny square for the pillow. So here's what I've done so far. Look at those colors and the design, gorgeous. Let's see over here. Yeah, it's getting there. Look at that. I think it's gonna come out so nice and gorgeous. I'm gonna take a break now and I'll continue later. All the best. Okay, so it's now in the evening and I finished the first side of the pillow cover. You can see it covers it nicely. Now for the second side, so I don't have enough yarn of this color to make another square, but that's okay because I had a backup plan in case I didn't have enough of the same color yarn. I've seen plenty of pillowcases that have different designs or different colors on each side, so I know that it's allowed to do that. So I have here this orange and a light yellow, which these two go very nicely together, and I think it'll make a really nice side, and I think it does kind of match with this one. It like goes with the color scheme, even though it doesn't actually have the same colors. Well, this one does have an orange. This one's a bit brighter, but I think for having this on one side and these on the other side, I think it's gonna complement each other and come out very nice. So this I'm going to begin already tomorrow, and we'll see how it goes. Hello back. So I have here both squares done. This one came out so nice. And now for the next part is to stitch them up all the way around. And I was thinking, what kind of stitch do I want to do? If I should do a slip stitch or a crochet or something. Instead, I opted for just regular sewing together like that. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the colorful yarn to do the connection. I think the colorful one will bring the colors together nicely. So Let's see. Don't want to use too long of a thread, so I'm gonna use, this is not gonna be enough for the whole thing, but when I run out, I'll just make another one, because using too long of a thread just makes it too complicated to use. So I'm going to now sew them together all the way around, 3 sides, and then I'm gonna put in the pillow and close up the last side over here. So let's start. Okay, so I finished all the sides, see? Now I'm going to put in the pillow, the cushion, and close off this side. There it goes. Fits perfectly, exactly how I want it. Nicely. Look how it stretches out nicely and sits just so flush and tight on the cushion. So now I'm going to close up over here, but I'm going to take a new piece of thread because I don't think that this is long enough. So let me close this up. Okay, I've reached the end. Let me tie these 2 ends together. I'm not gonna hide them. One. Another one. It's done. Look at that. Will you look at that? I absolutely love it. And I actually have another pillow like this, and I think I'm just going to have to make another one for this one because this came out absolutely gorgeous and exactly how I wanted, and it's just just adds so much to the pillow. I really like it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed watching. Bye bye.